Right, on to more tests to decide if an infinite series converges or diverges. We'll be using the p-series test. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to determine whether an infinite series converges or diverges using the p-series test. Right, I will have to say the p-series test is one of my favorite because if you can recognize a p-series, it's super duper easy, I think. So if you have a p-series, you've got some number, the term number, and it's going to be raised to a power. The p is going to be the power that it's raised to. So if it says, as an example, if I have 1 over n squared, or if I have 1 over n to the third, or 1 over n to the 1/2, or 1 over the square root of n, anything like that, where we have the term number to a power, it is called a p-series, and p is just a constant. We will just say if p is bigger than 1, the series will converge. If p is less than or equal to 1, the series will diverge, and that's all you need to do with this. So as long as you recognize a p-series, you are good to go. All right, so let's go ahead. This is called the harmonic series, or we could call it a p-series. Does this converge or diverge? The way that we're going to do this is a p-series because this is actually 1 over n to the 1 power, so I'm going to be using the p-series test. And my p would equal 1. And since I'm just going to say since p is less than or equal to 1, the series diverges. And that's really all there is to that one. Okay, I'm going to actually do one more example for you. If I had n over, let's say I had something that looks like this, n over n to the 3/2, that might not necessarily look like a p-series, but since we've got an n on the top and n on the bottom, I could actually reduce it, and this would actually be, we'll get n to the, if I subtract those, I'll get n to the -1/2, which can be rewritten as 1 over n to the 1/2, and then you will notice this is a p-series. My p would equal 1/2, and I would definitely let my reader know that it is a p-series, and I will say on this one, since p is, once again, less than 1, less than or equal to 1, the series diverges. All right, and I think that's pretty much it. You might have been thinking that you maybe wanted to use the nth term test on this one. If you did use the nth term test, you'd actually get an answer of 0, and remember, when you get an answer of 0, it's inconclusive, so you have to use something else. So p-series is the way to go.